So this is, it's kind of unusual because the center of the spiral is in the middle, and usually it'll be off to one side. Sometimes there are two spirals. In this case it's in the middle, and it's a clockwise spiral. The hair's going like this. But you can see that at some point the hair starts shifting, and over here it's going to go down like that. And over here it's going to go here, and then it's going to shift down this way. But you can see here, this is a continuation of the spiral. It comes down like that. And somewhat usually it'll come around like that. So that's a central spiral. We expect that one. What we don't expect is what's going on in front. So these are very unusual pattern of hair growth. We call these cowlicks. He has one on this side, and the hair is growing back toward his left ear. He has one on the right side growing toward his right ear. But what he has that's a little bit more unusual is right here in the middle. He's got the origin of a spiral, which is not really visible. So we have to guess it would have been right here. And that hair is growing along this direction. So as it goes here, it's growing backwards. It's actually angled this way. Now hair on people without a cowlick would be angled toward the nose right here. And same thing here. But if you look at this hair, it's actually growing back this way. And then when we look over here, the hair is growing this way, back toward the ear. So the spiral is growing backwards, and at some point it shifts to where it's growing to the side. Now if you look at these angles up top, they come out like this, and then they shift back like that. So there's really strange angles how this is coming and doing this. It's going forward and then comes back this way. And over here, it comes forward and then shifts back toward the right ear. But having this hair right in the middle that's going backwards, not forward, but backwards, is going to open up that area right in there. There's no good way to recreate that. It's not going to leave him looking thin. And if you look at his before in this area, there's a natural part, because the hair is going this way and the hair is going this way. And that opens that area up. There's no real good way to build that back. We probably won't. We'll probably leave the hair that's there, angle the hair like a normal cowlick here. And the reason we do that is he's got cowlick up here. Okay? So if I angle that hair going this way, then it would run into hair up here that's going that way. And that would create a natural part, an unusual natural part up in here. We don't want that. So we're just going to build out these peaks to give him a flat hairline, which he has absolutely no androgenic alopecia whatsoever. He has a full head of hair at his age. And we're just going to fill in the peaks and give him a more ethnically appropriate hairline.
ForHair is run by Dr. Cole with 30 years of hair restoration experience, and we offer the most cutting-edge technology available. In fact, the ForHair Enterprise sub-company Cole Instruments manufactures custom-made tools and automated tools for hair restoration physicians all over the world. Our quality, expertise, and skills are superior to other clinics. Our reputation and results are the best in the world. It's time to restore your hair. It's time to choose ForHair. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications of ForHair's video uploads. For online consultation, click on the link on the screen or in the video description.